compulsory part, paper 1. So let's start with the question number 1, where we are going to solve this in DSRs. So what we are supposed to do, as we can see that the power is 4. So we'll open that. So it's gonna be 12, and then it's gonna be -8. A to the power -5 and b to the power 6. So when the bases are same, we can add their powers. So I'm gonna send this -5 to the numerator so that it becomes positive. And for b, I'm gonna send this negative to denominator so their power become positive. So basically it's like this: when power is negative, we can send it into denominator and vice versa. So then a to the power becomes 17 and b to the power become,
Yeah, as the question says, x plus y be the two numbers, and their sum is 456. So we'll write it: x plus y is equals to 456, and the product of x and y is 7, and x is y. So 7x is equals to y. Let these two equations as 1 and 2. Now we can use the simply substitution method, as we can see that y can be replaced by 7x. So put equation 2 in 1. So instead of y, we are going to write 7x, and that is 456. 8x is equals to 56. So x is equals to 57. We are supposed to find the value of x only. It's done. Now let's move to the question number 3. As we can see that we have the different denominators. So what we will going to do, we'll use the cross method. Means x gonna be multiplied with 5x plus 6, and 3 is going to multiply with k minus 9. So 3 times 5k plus 6, and then 2 times k minus 9. I used to call it butterfly method. So yeah, now the denominators, I'll write it like this. No need to simplify the denominators. We only need to simplify the numerator. So yeah, now open this bracket. So it becomes 15k plus 18 plus 2k minus 18 over denominator remain the same. Now we can see like terms. So we'll be adding those like terms. Okay, it's a little darker. Let's use this. Yeah, 15k and 2k, which gonna be 17k, and 18, 1 is positive and negative, so we can cancel it out. So this will be our answer. I hope I made myself clear for these questions. So now we can move to the next question, which is question number 4. So we know that the formula a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So yeah, for this question, here we can convert 9c square minus 6c plus 1 in the same format. So instead of a, we have 3c, we can write it as a whole square, and 1 can be written as whole square with that. Then negative 2 times 3c times 1, which is equals to negative 6c. So this becomes the formula of 3c minus 1 whole square. Now by using this, we can solve the fourth b as well. So b part, 4c plus d whole square minus 9c square plus 6c minus 1. So if you'll see this one and this one, if we can see that their sign is are different. So 9c is negative here, and here it's positive. Same like this. So what we are supposed to do, we'll take the negative common. So which gonna be 4c plus d whole square minus common. So then it become 9c square negative 6c plus 1. 4c plus d whole square minus, instead of this, we can write 3c minus 1 whole square. Now we know the another formula which we can use here, that is a square minus b square, which is a minus b, a plus b. These are basic algebraic formulas which I am using here. Hope you are able to understand. 4c plus d plus 3c minus, sorry, minus 1, and then 4c plus d minus 3c, and then plus 1. Now open it. 7c plus d minus 1, 4c minus 3c, which can be c. C plus d plus 1. That's your answer. Now let's move to the question number 5. So they said that a fen is sold at the discount of 30%. So whenever it's about the discounts, we always mark the discount on the mark price. After selling the fen, the profit of $78 and the percentage profit is 26%. Find the mark price of the fen. So there are three things they gave. One, first let S be the selling price. S selling price. C as the cost price, and M be the mark price. Now we can find all of them are dependent upon the selling price. So as they said that discount, so discount means it's 30% minus. So selling price, I told you the discount is always on mark price. So selling price will be 1 minus 30% of mark price. Now they said that after selling the fan, the profit 78 and the percentage profit is 26. So profit we have to calculate on, we always calculate the profit on the cost price. Right? So when we sell something, we got profit. If the selling price is higher than cost price, then there is a profit. So selling price is cost price plus 78. Then they said the profit percentage is also 26%. So S, we can write cost price and it's a profit. So that is 1 plus 26%. Now we have three equations and they all three equations are of selling price. So we can put both each two or one together to get the equations. So let's substitute, put equation 2 into 3. So C plus 78 equals to C and then 1 plus 26%. If we solve it, it's gonna be 1.26 C and C plus 78. So C will be, if you simplify it, so 78 equals to 1.26 C plus C, which is minus. Okay, let me just write it in this way. That is better. So 1.26 C minus C is equals to 78, which is 0.26 C is equals to 78. So C is equals to 78 over 0.26. If you simplify it, 78 divided by 0.26, 78 divided by 0.26, 300. So the cost price is $300. Now we can substitute C value in the equation sum in 2 So we'll get a selling price as $378, and to find the mark price, we can substitute S in 1. Then we'll get it. Selling price, we know it's 378 equals to 1 minus 30%, which is directly we can write 100 minus 30, which is 70. 70 divided by 100, which is going to be 0.70 m. So the mark price is 378 divided by 0.70. 378 divided by 0.70, which is $540. That's what they're asking. So we get our answer.